Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, and these are going to be my first impressions, and also I'm going to show you how I created this look. First I'm going to go into the shade called Vivid Mood. So I'm placing Vivid Mood above my crease. Next I'm taking the shade called Blood Queen. I'm focusing Blood Queen in the outer part of my crease, just deepening up that first shade that I put down and focusing it on the outer portion of my crease. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade Dungeon, and I'm really going to deepen the outer V and just sort of blend it into the outer portion of my crease as well. I'm also running that shade underneath the outer portion of my lower lash line. Now I'm going into the shade Deviant. I'm going to use this as my color to blend everything. So I'm blending everything above my crease and just making sure that everything is seamless, no harsh lines. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Take the Crown, and I'm going to pack that all over my entire lid. This is so beautiful. I'm going to take that underneath my lower lash line. The shade that from the beginning I've been most intrigued by and really excited to try is Wet Jewel. Yeah, that definitely added another dimension to that. I hope you can see it on camera, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm also going to place Wet Jewel in my inner corner. I'm just mesmerized by this. I love this. This is definitely my favorite purple eyeshadow look I've ever done. Not exaggerating. Alright, so that's all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow for today. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look with mascara. I truly love this look so much. This is like the eyeshadow look of my dreams. Sincerely love this. I didn't really have any problems with this. I thought everything blended very well. And as you can see, those shimmery shades are absolutely beautiful. Very pigmented. Everything was very pigmented, blended beautifully. So this video was just my first impressions because I only used so in this video I only used 5 of the shades. So again, this is just my first impression. But of the 5 shades that I used, I absolutely love them. And I'm so excited to play with this palette some more. So I definitely would love to create more looks with this palette. Would you guys be interested in seeing a video where I create maybe 4 or 5 looks with the palette? Comment down below and let me know. But my first impression of this palette is that it is beautiful. I absolutely love this, and I'm definitely going to be reaching for this a lot. If you made it this far in the video, will you please leave me a purple heart down in the comments below so that I can personally thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.